Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can stop computer from turning off by itself. Ideal. First go to search bar and here type for settings and click on settings. Now click on system. On the right side here you can see power. Click on that. Then click on screen and sleep. When plugged in, turn off my screen after. It's a default 30 minutes. So scroll down and here you can see neighbor. Select this. And then when plugged in, port my device to sleep after. And select neighbor. And here you go. So this is how you can stop computer from turning off by itself. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.